Hello and welcome! Today we are going to find out how to create an account on Instagram, whether on mobile phone or a computer. If we're on a computer, we just need to launch our internet browser. In the address bar, type instagram.com. Arrived on the website, we arrive directly on the login page to the platform. Nevertheless, at the bottom, we are offered to register. If you're on the phone, you can also use its mobile application. In this case, if we're on iPhone, we go to the App Store, and for Android device, on the Play Store. In the search bar, type Instagram, select it and install it. After its installation, we'll open it. When it opens, again, at the bottom of the login screen, we are offered to create a new account. In this case, we have two possibilities, or from our phone number, or from our email address. For the example, we'll use this one. By pressing Next, we are informed that a message has been sent to us in which we found a confirmation code. Then, we enter it on the screen while confirming it. Afterwards, we'll indicate our username as well as a password that we define for the connection. To continue, we decide to synchronize the list of our contacts saved on our mobile device or not. Then, we enter our date of birth. In the next step, we are offered an Instagram username. If it suits us, we proceed to our registration. Otherwise, it's still possible to modify it to find one that suits us. Then, if we have a Facebook account, we also have the possibility of synchronizing the list of our friends there in order to find them. Otherwise, you can skip this step. Same the thing for our profile picture. To complete this registration, we are offered different accounts and personalities to follow on the platform, allowing us to follow their publication on our Instagram newsfeed.